Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear youth, this message is to you. It's very important for you guys to actually minimize your expectation for marriage. Try to get married earlier. I know career is important, but career is not the only important thing in your life. I know most of us as parents make you focus only on academic careers, academic successes, and getting your degrees, then getting your jobs, and getting enough money, a big car, a house, and all that. But you can do better than that. You can do better than us, right? To not only focus on this dunya and the desires of this dunya. Focus on your deen as well. And nikah, or the marriage, is part of the sunnah, right? So you need to actually focus on getting married as well. A marriage is very important segment part of your life, and it's very important for all Muslim youth to actually focus on that as well. And expectations are ruining you guys and actually decreasing your motivation, your zeal, your desire to get married. And this is where shaitan seeps in. He actually sneaks into your life and makes you commit wrong, evil in your life as Muslim youth. So Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam clearly asked the youth to get married sooner. And if you can get married, you don't have the means or any other problems, then you have to fast. Imagine this hadith, and imagine the importance of nikah and how it actually contains you and actually keeps you disciplined in your life as youth. Because we all come with natural instincts, natural desire, and intimacy, relationship, companionship is one of them. This is a fact, and Quran itself understands this, acknowledges, and this is exactly why we are encouraged in Islam to get married. So remember, you can earn only enough, right? Enough that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given you, right? The risk is with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has counted your risk, right? So you get married, not married, you will get enough risk. So don't wait to become a millionaire. Don't wait to become a six-figure salary holder, right? Get married, and you can study after that. You can actually support each other, boys and girls both. Reduce the expectations for mahar. Reduce the expectations for any kind of dowry. Reduce the expectations of getting a big house from your husband when you get married. And reduce the expectations to actually pay off your OSAP and all that. Allah will provide for you if you actually made the nikah happen earlier in your life to protect yourself from shaitan and for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and to follow the sunnah of our last Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Remember, when you follow the path of sunnah, Allah protects you from evil, and Allah protects you from loan or any kind of financial problems. Get married and stay focused in